Hi Catherine, Paul Mead here. I'm just going to show you how to find a page and edit a page on the website. The page I'm going to play around with today is this contact page that we have at the moment, and I'm just going to show you, for example, how to edit this piece of text here. Okay, so to edit anything on the website, you go to the website address, normal website address, /WP admin, which will take you to the login area. I'm going to log in with my own credentials, but obviously you would log in with your own name and password. So there's mine. I'm just going to hit login. When the page loads, I will see down the left hand side, there we go, the main sort of navigation things you can do. We want pages because we want to see a list of the website pages. And then when that loads, if you want to edit any page, you can hover on it and click, or you can press that edit button there that appears when you hover on the page. The two things do the same thing. So here's the contact page that I want to edit, and so I'm going to press on that. That will then take me to the specific content of that contact page. Here we go. And as we can see, here's the elements that make up that page. So I don't know if you noticed earlier, but there was a ticker tape slider thing going across the top, which is this code block. We don't want to mess with that today. Here's the bit of text that we were talking about. As with any element in on this builder, if you hover on it, you get presented with these four icons. Edit is the one we want today. So we click on edit. I can then edit that text. So for example, if I wanted to add something more on here, I could put, this is a test. There we go. But so imagine that I've changed some piece of text, maybe a phone number or something like that. Then when I'm done, I would hit save. Now that's saved the element, but it hasn't saved the page itself. So what I really want to do is either press this update button, so that edit will then be forever saved. Or if I've scrolled so far down that that edit button has disappeared off the screen like that, there's also a floating update button always ever present here, so I hit that. They do the same thing. Now I've hit that, this page is basically going to save. And so any change that I made to that bit of text will then be reflected in the website, the front end, what the customers see, not the control panel. So for example, if I then click on that link to open in a new window so we can see the front end of the website, here we go. If I did make a change, then that would have taken place right here. It's possible you might need to refresh the page with the little refresh button in your browser. It probably looks like this if you have Firefox, or very similar if you have Internet Explorer or Chrome or one of the other browsers. They all pretty much do the same thing. Okay, so that's how to find a page and edit text on a page. Thanks.